ball is leading us across a geyser field. Uh-oh! That sounds like the Mouse King!
The Mouse King and his soldiers have musical instruments! Those are piccolos! Oh no! When they play their piccolos, it wakes up the geysers!
The Mouse King is trying to stop us from getting to the toy prince. Don't worry, team. I have a plan. We can dance to tell Rocket and the bouncy ball when it's safe to bounce. Like this. Pat, 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 pat. Do it with me. Pat, 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 pat. Just remember, when we hear the mice playing their piccolos, we need to stop patting and freeze. Stop patting. It worked! We told Rocket and the bouncy ball to stop just in time. The geysers didn't splash us! Let's keep going. Pat, 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 pat. Freeze!
Phew! That was close.
Keep patting. Pat, 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 pat. Freeze! We're almost there. Pat, 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 pat. We made it! We bounced past all the geysers. Yay!
Way to go, June! Look what happened to the Mouse King and his soldiers! They got splashed in the air!
Thanks for your help, Bouncy Ball. And thank you for patting the beat with me. To dance past all the snowballs, we're going to need your help. So stand up, like me and Teddy Bear. That's it. Get up on your feet. Good. Now get ready to jump open and close. Échappé, open. Échappé, close. Échappé, open. Échappé, close. Échappé, open. Échappé, close. Oh no! Here come the biggest, fastest snowballs yet! Get ready to jump even faster! Échappé, open. Échappé, close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Those snowballs didn't stop us.
We made it through the ice tunnel! Woohoo!
Yay! Thanks for helping us dance past all the snowballs. And thank you, Teddy Bear, for showing us the way.
The door won't open. It's locked.
But we need to find a way inside so we can wind up the toy prince.
Look, there's a ballerina by the door.
I know how to get into the castle. To open the door, we have to do the ballerina's secret password dance. Ooh!
Go for it, June. You can do it.
But I'm going to need your help. Stand up like me. Go ahead. Get up on your feet. Stand up nice and tall, like a dancer. Excellent. Now, do a plie. Bend your knees like me. Good. Saute. Jump. That's it. Now, battement. Lift your leg in front of you, like this. It's working!
The door is starting to open!
Let's do the whole dance together. Plie. Saute. Battement. The door is almost open. One more time. Plie. Saute. Battement. We did it! Great dancing!
That was awesome!
Now we can go save the toy prince.
Uh-oh! Here comes the Mouse King with his army!
Come on, we have to hurry. Come on, let's all dance with the toy prince.